Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust idle sleep timer on SteelSeries Aerox 5 wireless. And to do this, we'll need to download SteelSeries GG software on our PC. You can find it on their official website. When it's installed, we can click on Aerox 5 wireless right here in Engine. Then move to the sleep timer right here, and you'll be able to adjust the time when your mouse goes into that mode. And it goes between off to fully turn it off to 20 minutes. And there's also illumination dim timer that you can adjust also between off and 20 minutes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.